Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by prepping nails precisely. Trim, buff lightly, and wipe with 70% plus alcohol so chrome sticks. Apply one thin base coat. If you use gel, cure under LED for about 30-60 seconds. If regular polish, let it become tacky but not wet. Once done, make sure to work over a clean, flat surface with a small dish of chrome powder and a soft eyeshadow or silicone brush. This minimizes mess and gives you control when picking up powder. You now apply the chrome. Dip your soft brush or sponge applicator into the powder and tap off excess so you don't overload. Starting from the nail base, press and rub the powder in a back and forth motion until a mirror-like shine appears. Pressure activates the pigment and evens coverage. Once satisfied, use a clean, fluffy brush to sweep away excess powder from the nail surface and surrounding skin, making sure to tidy edges and remove stray particles before sealing with top coat. You finish by sealing the chrome to lock and shine and prevent rubbing off. Apply one thin layer of no-wipe gel top coat and cure for 60 seconds. For extra durability, add a second thin layer and cure again. If you used regular polish, gently apply a quick-dry glossy top coat in thin, even strokes so you don't disturb the chrome finish. If you see patchy areas, don't panic. Lightly reapply a thin base, re-rub powder into the spot, then reseal immediately to restore a seamless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.